National Weather Service in Los Angeles has issued a flash flood warning for Los Angeles, California, San Francisco, Santa Barbara, Los Gatos City, Los Altos, San Antonio, San Diego. National Weather Service stop window. You can flash flood, you waters the same. 2023, 5 a.m. 00 time, 2 hour and minute soon. Flashing flood insurance, flooding flash. This destroyed my house. Minute 5, don't enter outside, and eat food, don't play on toys, don't play on computer, phone. This in a test, this in a flash flood warning has been issued. This is not a test.